Over the past couple hours, Bitcoin has seen a drop to the downside. We're currently down 2.15% in the past 24 hours, trading around 9,210. And it is no coincidence that a couple hours ago, at the exact same time that Bitcoin began selling off, the stock market opened up today quite bearish. The S&P is currently down 1.39%. And also, if you were watching my live streams yesterday and the day before, we were talking about how the altcoins would very likely see a consolidation in the near term, and Chainlink is getting that consolidation that we were looking for. We're going to be talking about all of this and more in today's video. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svenson, and today we're going to be talking about the price of Bitcoin. Over the past few weeks, the altcoin market has been providing some incredible gains, and Bitcoin has been trading sideways for the most part. The price action that we're seeing in the crypto market right now, to me, seems pretty normal. We've been seeing some incredible gains recently, and now we're seeing some profit taking, a bit of a pullback. Bitcoin is dropping with the stock market today. Looking at the CryptoWatch asset card list, we can see that most coins, most crypto assets are seeing a pullback with Bitcoin. Some coins are still in the green, but most coins are getting this pullback alongside Bitcoin. Right now, I'm looking at Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart, and we can see that for the past 2 or 3 hours, we have been seeing a steady pullback here. And if we look at the S&P chart, we can see that for the past 2 hours, the S&P has also been seeing a pullback. In my opinion, it is not a coincidence that when the stock market opened and began dropping, Bitcoin began dropping at the exact same moment. Just so you guys understand the correlation, Bitcoin is very much a confidence game. It's very speculative, and in speculative markets, it's very much based on confidence. And if the global markets are looking bearish, things are pulling back, well, there's going to be a little bit less confidence in Bitcoin. That's just how things go. Looking at the S&P from a daily perspective, we're still within a higher low trajectory, and we're still trending up despite today being a red day. And looking at Bitcoin on the daily chart, we still have a potential higher low here, so I'm really not all too worried about this. Despite the short-term stuff that we're seeing today, which is generally insignificant, looking at the weekly chart, we can see that we're pretty much still in the same exact position that we've been in for a while now. We are still riding this multi-year resistance looking at the weekly chart, and we're also still above the purple 10-week EMA. And as we've been saying on this channel, the 10-week and 21-week EMA are two very key moving average indicators. That is a great reference for if Bitcoin is bullish or bearish. If we start to break below these moving averages, then we could enter a short-term downtrend. As long as we hold above them, this breakout does become very likely. You know, these two key moving averages are very pivotal areas, right? Once we break below them, we get bearish. When we break above them, we get generally bullish. Break below them again, get generally bearish. And recently, there's been just tons of volatility, a lot of chop. But as long as we're above them, I am going to remain bullish on Bitcoin. Historically, being above them is bullish. So looking at the weekly volume for Bitcoin, we can see that the downward sloping volume trend is still in consolidation mode. And also the price action is showing that we are still in consolidation mode. We have not seen any major moves. Things are still pretty normal here. And looking at the S&P, it's also in consolidation mode. We're creating a potential pennant formation here in the S&P. So both the S&P and Bitcoin are beginning to consolidate within this area. And as we all know, the altcoin market has been seeing some incredible moves recently. Right now, I'm looking at the altcoin market cap excluding Bitcoin, and we are still remaining below this resistance that the altcoin market cap has not been able to break above. So we haven't even seen a breakout for altcoins yet. Despite all the super bullish moves we've seen recently, we really haven't seen the most of it, right? I actually think that this is just the start for the altcoins. And if Bitcoin can get a bullish breakout at the end of this consolidation, then the altcoin market cap will very likely see an actual breakout, and that's when we're going to see some real moves for the altcoins. So generally, Bitcoin is still consolidating, the S&P is still consolidating, and the altcoins are still consolidating. Now, looking at Chainlink, one of my favorite altcoins that we've been talking a lot about recently, in my past couple live streams, we were discussing that Chainlink was very likely due for a consolidation. Looking at the weekly chart, we can see that we did hit my first target, which I've been discussing for a few weeks now, at the 1272 fib extension around $6.09. We wicked above it, and now we're currently below it on this weekly. And in my live streams, what we discussed was that Chainlink would very likely come back to retest the 382 fib retrace, and we actually just hit that level, saw a little bit of support come in, but we'll see how this plays out. Overall, looking at the weekly chart, it's not going to be a surprise to me if Chainlink consolidates within this area, see some volatility before the next major leg up. Do not be surprised to see some of these coins consolidate before another leg up. This is all very normal price action, and after major pumps, you're going to see consolidations, and this could give you guys some time to accumulate more before the next potential leg up. As a long-term trader, nothing has really changed for me except for the fact that the altcoin market has begun its breakout. A lot of these coins are beginning to start their uptrend. And if Bitcoin can get this bullish breakout that I'm looking for, then the altcoins are going to continue to run, and we could be looking for the next major uptrend. Guys, keep in mind, Bitcoin is still along this multi-year resistance. And once we get above it, once Bitcoin actually gets a break above this resistance, right, and actually confirms support along it, this is something we haven't done in multiple years, and this is one of the most bullish signals we could ever get for Bitcoin right now. And this is still what I think is most likely. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about all this right now as we're still consolidating. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? What do you think is coming next? Are you buying altcoins? Are you selling altcoins? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. And the platform that you guys see me use in all my videos is the CryptoWatch platform, which is now free to use. It used to cost $15 a month to trade directly off of all the top exchanges. But now, guys, for free, you can trade from this platform off of all the top exchanges, all from one place. So click that link below, sign up for the CryptoWatch platform. And also, if you guys want to support this channel and take a look at my altcoin portfolio, join the Patreon, and I will see you guys in the next video.